This is the New Zealand rocket.
Some of you might know we celebrated our 3-year anniversary since launch. As we
Don't
wait for
stop me
winds to
now.
subside, let's take a look back at everything we've achieved in those 3 years.
It's in Auckland, New Zealand. I think they've done 5 or 6 different ones. So maybe this is what's up in the sky. I don't know. It's not Elon Musk. It's New Zealand. And the Prime Minister of New Zealand, she's an evil, evil woman. She's good friends with Bill Gates. So don't get me started on all of that. They have the most revolting abortion rules and laws, and she's denounced her religion, and now she says she's agnostic just before she became Prime Minister. So she sold her soul, and she's poisoning New Zealand. They used to be such a good group of people, and now they're just evil. She's such an evil bitch. I'm glad that I don't live in New Zealand with her. I want a colour. But anyway, I'm not going to put too much of this on. You can all go and watch it yourself. This launch is called Don't Stop Me Now. They all have weird names, like As the Crow Flies. I think this is the 5th or 6th one. So New Zealand at least do have some things a bit more advantageous, a bit more scientific, more upfront, more modern than what Australia has. But yeah.